What video you say? I go much? Watch him.
Look at the way they get out. This will be available on the requested soon. So keep in touch, guys.
If ever idiot.
Hey people, okay, so we're on the hunt again, as you guys know that. Alright, so we still haven't got no houses here, so we're still looking, and today I'm not sure if we're going to be able to look at more than one, but we're carrying along the journey. We're just out today and let's see how it goes. We're not so sure it's gonna go good. This is kind of a link, and from the person said they're not sure if we're gonna like it. That does sound like them like it already, but you know, we've seen some crappy houses so far.
Can't get no worse than one in Edgewater.
Yes, so I don't think I'm gonna go in with much expectation, so I'll be okay. By the way, guys, by the here it will be available at the Wake Factor. A lot of things coming up there, so if you're not following me as yet, go ahead. Okay guys, so we're waiting on the man that's supposed to have the keys for the place. So we're just out here chilling, I guess. I guess it's a good thing that this is probably the only house that we're looking at today, because
We're talking about business.
yeah, we're probably gonna about business, or this are just
Long time.
people them who probably plan for wait for me for the other house them, probably get vexed and just leave.
But some people then pick me up, fly some proper scandal bag.
Yes, I have to show you guys. I've never seen this before. A string and a literal scandal bag. It's not like a kite will make out a plastic bag. It's legit those plastic bag.
Oh man, the man with the big old black bag.
I'm gonna insert the clip after this, man.
People proper flying a plastic bag out here today.
Yeah.
They want them a sore tooth scandal bag.
I first never see this, you know, like legit
Them plastic bag people.
Yeah. You see
so bad.
the scandal. This man is coming in our video. Really, sir?
Backside. I don't need the big plastic bag.
Alright, so guys, we didn't get to look inside of it. Actually, the one was still in a half a tree. And by the way, we never really liked the house either way. So we waited no longer. So right now we're just in the supermarket and we're gonna get some things. So I guess tomorrow back we see for the house hunting. Look what we found. Like yeah man, so electric cars are going with things.
Come on, Tesla people.
Yes, wow, free while shopping, limit 1 hour. Free, wait, free?
Yeah, free while.
Rotted, they might give you all freeness. Lord Jesus.
So if you have an electric car, you know, we come over
Jones a hardware center.
Speak your mind. Speak free.
Alright, we had a I guess a meeting or a viewing at 1 o'clock. First of all, the lady don't want to tell with the location, she don't want to tell with the address, she just say want to turn in. We're supposed to call her. There is 3 entrance to the community.
I don't know where I go.
3. Oh wait, I think I probably this entrance should be mean. But honestly, the first section that we looked at, it made me feel
It wasn't
bad.
it. When I was seeing
This
there.
look a little better. This look better. First place,
Okay.
Around here, so look a little better.
it is much better. Ronnie
Sure.
says much better.
I'm sure I know some shots.
Turn back.
People around here so not look too bad. Me not nervous
Because
again.
there was some journals.
No, this is not so bad. This look like Greater Portmore.
Me not nervous again. Look on the darling. Dirt roads, not a good sign. Not a good sign. Get a sign.
Hello, yes, I'm at the third left.
Look on the 2-color house here. What could have caused that?
So she really just out the phone for me?
Or maybe I'm on my phone.
Probably it's a mistake. We can try one more time.
Look on the 2-color house here, people. Yellow and over that blue or green, I don't know.
Right. Me upstairs now?
What's the color house? Huh?
Over there, so you know, class. Why you parked here? Is that you in a small car?
No. What? No. We're in a Subaru.
Okay, so you got to see me out there.
Okay.
I'm looking at that. Upstairs, back to the left.
Upstairs to the left. What's the color of the house? I don't know where I'm going. What's the color of the house?
And then ask you to the
No, I don't see you. No. There's more than one probably black car. No, it's a.
somebody came up the car now.
No, we're
No,
still in the
that's
car.
not.
That's not us. That's not us at all. Right now we're at Watson Drive, so we don't know where to come from there.
Where's Watson Drive?
People, them don't know where them live. Them don't know where them live, people. I'm nervous.
Hello, yes, the part that they
People.
said just come out the car, went in a car. No.
We don't know what is going on. Them I say them a pint and me getting very, this feel like a setup.
We don't know where.
Alright, so people were leaving that rental property. It's a decent space. Well,
No, it's small.
It looks decent.
It
but
looks
it's small.
decent, yeah, that's for sure. It looks nice. You'll see it. You'll have seen it.
Yeah.
And it's just that it's very small. I guess if we're considered, that would be nice, like a boost to self-esteem that we wanted. But it is just very small, and everything that we're looking at today is within the same price. It's not even within there. It's the same price.
Yeah.
So it's kind of too small. If you have got the next option, definitely would have chosen it over it. But just because it's small and it's still shared, although it's much more contained than where we currently are, but it's still shared.
Better than...
Yeah, it's far better than what I think how the space is designed for being shared. It's much better designed than where we're currently is. You wouldn't have to see the other person unless somehow in the night and come to the house at the same time. Different entrance. So far over there, we don't hear the person. AC up there, so we can lock up and nice and cool for the AC money. And then it would have just been a simple we'll have the wash area upstairs, so that's a simple step outside. We don't have to go downstairs with a bag of clothes, come back upstairs. Would that good?
The wash upstairs, hang out upstairs.
Yeah.
One time I go downstairs when leaving.
Yeah, that's
When
it's
you have
good.
your own little patio here
Yeah.
on the top.
Yeah man, it's nice, it's just that it's small. I'm gonna call the lady for the next location, let her know that I'm on my way, but she can expect me. But we're going to be a little bit late, but we're hurrying.
Yeah, even though this space look decent, me not like the lady make me nervous.
Me not like how she stays.
We call a street name and the lady say, I win him so. Alright, so after the next property,
Let's go.
we will see you there.
Let's go.
Will you make it before us?
What's that?
Who knows? On the series House Preview.
Okay. Wow, it looks small from the outside, but it has space. It's nice. It's much more smaller than everything that we've seen before. It is nice. It's nice. Small, but it's nice. It's supposed to be 2. Should be. It's not bad. Decent size. Everything is the same price. This is an exclusive closet. Suppose. Okay, it's a bathroom. Nice size bathroom. Yeah, it is of a nice size. Nice bathroom, it's cleaned and everything. Oh, look good. It is nice. Spacious. It's nice. It's nice. Small and nice. Is this your deadliest with in here? Yeah, I like here. It is nice. The house is it's newly done and everything, you know. But the thing is that it's just small. Like, mommy said her things can't hold in one room for sure. Her mommy bed alone big. So that's just the only downside to it, because I liked it, to be honest. I really liked it. Yeah. It's just that it's small. If it was for me one, then yeah, with the bed and everything, but small people. So still on the hunt. We're hoping for the very first one. Well, not the very first one in this one. It's the location, but the one that we said I really did like. But we're hoping for that one, and other if we don't get it, we'll just continue looking. But right there was cute. It was adorable. I liked it. It's just like it's
Tiny. It and the upstairs house was off the same side.
Yeah, it's small, man.
But the upstairs house has more. It have more little rooms and so forth. You know, to me.
No. This is small as this too. I prefer this than the upstairs. That's for sure.
Oh, okay. So